Good morning, sir.
I hope you can see me. Is it visible?
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Visible.
Yes. Start your prayer. Start your prayer. Don't sit idle. Yes. Okay. So, shall we start?
Yes, sir.
So everyone take your books. What was your homework? Did I give any homework? Did I give any homework yesterday?
No, sir.
Yes, sir. 2 pages.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I told you to read the next 2 pages and I hope that you understood that. But once again, today we can go into detailed explanation and you will understand. Okay, I hope that you will understand. But you will understand only if you give concentration. Okay, you have to concentrate. So let's start. So we were in what? Which topic? Work of a river. Yesterday I hope that you were there and
No, sir. We have
so
to
that
start
you.
the work of river, sir.
Yesterday's class, I had conducted yesterday class, no? In the evening. How
No,
many of
sir.
you
We
were
have not
there?
explained. We have to
What?
start from today. Work of
Yesterday, but there were students, no? From your class. Yesterday I explained this.
Yes, sir. Sir, you explained
Till what?
survey.
Till where did I explain?
Sir,
I explained till.
we have to start from work of
We have completed work of a river. In that we have completed about waterfall.
No.
Then we have completed
No,
meanders
sir. We have
of
to know.
small lake.
We have to start.
Harman, yesterday you were not there. That's why. Actually, there was a class yesterday. I conducted in the evening. I told that everyone has to attend, and you were not there. Why? What happened? I told you those who will not come, I will put absent. Huh?
Sir, I forgot the class.
So no problem, I have put absent. Okay. I told you attending is compulsory. You will have to join today. Not today, means yesterday. Like that way I told. Today you have to join in the evening. Like that way I told yesterday.
Sir, you
Yes.
explained work of river, natural landform, sea wave,
Sir,
Yes or no?
can you send the recording?
Better recording is not there because some technical issue was there. I could not record that class. But no problem. In short, I will explain. So everyone, those who were not there yesterday, they should concentrate, and those who were yesterday, they also have to concentrate. So that it will be a revision for you. Clear? Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay, so now just look at me. We are going to start. So major landforms. So who will tell me that what is weathering and what is weathering and what is erosion? Who will tell me? Who will tell me what is weathering and what is erosion?
Sir,
I explained.
Sir, may I
Yes.
tell? Weathering
first
is
who
the
said it?
breaking up of rocks on the earth's surface.
Better that you
Sir,
are
may I
looking and
tell
saying.
erosion?
Yes. Say.
Sir,
Say about erosion.
erosion. Sir, erosion means the wearing away of landscape by different agents like waters, air, ice, and etc.
Yes, good. That is wearing and that is erosion. Both understood, no? Wearing means breaking down of rocks, okay, into like powder forms. There are two kinds of rock, like hard rock is there, soft rock is there. Hard rock means it doesn't break into a powder form, but there are some certain soft rocks. How? Because when the flow of that water, when that force of that
Sir,
water.
example, sandstone. It is a soft rock.
Yes. Now listen to me. Due to that force of that flow of water, means the flow of water, due to the force of that water, okay, some rocks are there which are very light, okay, and they don't have that much weight. So they just get mixed up with the water and they just break into powder form and they mix with the water, okay, and then they flow along with the water. But there are certain rocks which don't break up easily, they are very hard, okay. So there are two kinds, hard rocks and soft rocks. Understood? Now weathering means, that is what breaking of rocks is known as weathering. And erosion means what? Erosion means when the wearing of landscape. Wearing means, understand, sometimes it is wearing away, means it just flows by with water, air, okay. In such process just flows by, or it changes its shape from one place to another. That is like wearing away, going along with the flow, okay. Wearing away of landscape is known as what? Erosion. And what are the agents for erosion? We know that. What are they? Water, wind or air we can say, and ice. These three are the agents of erosion. Clear? Understood? Hello?
Yes, sir.
The work of a river. Now I am not going into deep explanation because yesterday already I explained. Okay? So now listen everyone properly. What is a waterfall? How does a waterfall occur? How does it happen? Running water in the river erodes the landscape. Yes or no? Or it just wears away. Okay? Means what? Running water in the river erodes the landscape, and when the river tumbles at steep angle, steep means like this way, steep angle means going to down, okay, it's known as steep. A steep angle over very hard rocks, okay, when hard rocks are there, so over that hard rocks, when it is steeping, that water is steeping, okay, or the flow, running water is steeping, that you can see in the figure also. Everyone just look in that figure 3.4. Can you see that? Can you see that figure? By
Yes,
there you can understand. Steep angle over very hard rocks or down a steep valley side, it forms a waterfall. This is how waterfall means how it is. This forms a waterfall. How the waterfall is formed? Because when the water flows, running water flows, and it goes into steep area. In a steep area, it just goes down. Okay, and it tumbles in steep angle. Tumbles means like this, so it goes flow into the deep downside. Okay, very hard rocks, over a hard rocks. Okay, we are talking about hard rocks. So from a hard rocks, it is steeping down. Okay, so down a deep valley side, okay, into a valley side. Okay, now after going down, there is also again a valley. So from there also, then again the flow continues. It's not like after going down, then it will stop. No. After going down, there is again a valley, and again that water continues. The water flow is continuing. So that is known as what? Water flow. Did you understand? Understand? Okay. Now let's
Yes,
understand.
sir.
Let's understand about
Yes, sir.
meanders. What do you mean by meanders? Suppose the flow is like this, as you can see in the figure. Okay, like this way the flow is going on. Yes or no? Flow is going on like this. Okay. So as the river enters the plain, okay, now after that, when the river enters the plain land means like this, plain land, okay, as the river enters the plain, okay, it twists and turns like this, means like zigzag, like a snake, no? When it forms a zigzag, like
More
this
like
way,
rolling
going like
of
this, then
snake.
this, like this, then like this, yes? What are you saying?
So it is like a crawling of snake.
Yes, crawling of snake. I told you, no, like a snake form. Okay, zigzag we can say, like going like this, like this, like this. Okay, so when it takes a twists and turn, that is known as twists and turn, where on the plains. Okay, forming large bend. So here there is a bend. Here also there is a bend. Here also there is a bend. Okay, so forming a large bend. That is known as what? Meanders. This is known as what? meanders. Can you see this? This is known as meanders. Clear? Now, due to continuous erosion and deposition, I told you, if erosion takes place, there is a deposition also. I told you, erosion means with the flow when it takes along with the water or wind, then there is a time when it deposits in one place. That is deposition. Okay, means this flow of water or flow of wind, along with that wind, it takes away all the particles along with it, like what is known as sediments. It is known as sediments. So along with that, so after a while, it gets deposited in one place. This we have already seen at the time of sedimentary rocks. Yes or no? So you have an idea of that. Okay. So due to this continuous erosion and deposition, okay, when with this flow of wind or like rain, okay, flow is going on, and again then it gets deposited in one place. Okay, deposited in one place. Okay, along the sides of meander means it is with the flow, again it deposits in one place like this here, side of the meander, in the meanders. Okay. Yes, are you getting me? The ends of the meander loop come closer and closer. So again, what is happening? Due to this flow, these ends are there, no? Here also. So slowly they are also becoming, it is coming to an end, means go closer and closer. Means when it deposits certain many things and depositing due to erosion. Okay, erosion and deposition, many things are deposited here, no? Yes, so by that depositing, this distance will become closer and closer and closer. Yes or no? So then it will become how? It will become like this. Means very closer. Are you getting me what I am saying? Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Somebody's mic
Yes,
is on,
sir.
please switch off the mic. So that end becomes closer. In due course of time, the meander loops cuts off from the river and forms a cut-off lake. Okay, that you can see. See that figure, it is in an arrow it is given. That is known as oxbow lake. Means, can you see that oxbow figure in that brown color is there, no? That brown colored. That is actually the deposition. Many things have been deposited and that color has changed into brown. Because you know, there are dust particles, various particles are there along with that sediments, yes or no? So that is why it is brown colored. So that is known as what? Oxbow lake. Nearby here when it gets deposited, okay, here, when it gets deposited, so this is the water and here that deposition is there. This is the water and here the deposition is there. So that area, so this area is known as what? Oxbow lake. Clear? That is known as what? Oxbow lake. Did you understand what I mean?
Sir, Oxbow is here.
Oxbow lake. That area, that part is known as Oxbow lake. Okay. Oxbow lake, B-O-W. See, I'll
Okay, sir.
show you once again. suppose this is the flow, okay, this is the flow, and here the, due to that wearing and deposition, here that things get deposited, yes or no? So this area, I will zoom and draw it as it is already drawn in your textbook, but still once again to show you. So here many things get deposited on the side of that, means here on the corner, between, because on that bend, certain deposition is also going on. So that is known as meanders. So here, that area, that end, okay, when it, then slowly it comes closer and closer. Why? Because there are many depositions. Okay, so due to that so this is known as meander, yes or no? Here, this is known as meander, and now, in due course of time, the meander loops cut off. Okay, so these are the loops, like here and like here. It is cutting off, and that's why it is becoming closer. Why? Because it is deposition. No, deposition is also going on. Erosion and deposition is going on. Okay, it cuts off from the river and forms a cut-off lake. So here it forms a cut-off lake. So here the deposition is also there, and here water is also there. So this area is known as cut-off lake, which we call as what? Oxbow lake. Now understood? Here this small area, that is known as Oxbow lake. Is it clear now? I have explained second time. I hope that now it is clear. Okay? Okay everyone?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Okay, now next let's understand about flood plain. What is that? Flood plain. Listen. As it floods, it deposits layer of fine soil and other materials called sediments along in the banks. So here in the bank of that river, okay, in the bank, okay, suppose there is one end of a river. So there is like a bank is the river bank, which we call as the river bank. Okay, there are some deposits, okay, and of fine soil and other material called sediments. What do we call the deposits? We call them as sediments. This you already know. Along its bank. So this leads to the formation of a flat, fertile flood plain. That is known as flood plain. Means here, this part, this area, this is plain area. Here, this which we call as river bank. So here, certain things are deposited along with the flow of water. Okay, along with the flow of water. Because you know, water is not just simply water. It is flowing. It is flowing many things along with that water. Clear? That is why it is known as a river. No, along with river, it's not like it's only water or pure water. There are many things that flow along with water. Okay, that we call it as what? Sediment. Okay, so here it gets deposited, which we call as what? Flood plain. What are you writing? Okay, is my voice cutting?
No
Is
sir.
my voice cutting?
No sir, your voice is properly coming. No sir.
So Yesha,
Now it is coming.
Yesha, leave and join once again. Leave and join once again. Okay, leave and join once again. Okay. ठीक है? Clear?
What is meaning of baby? Oh, now your voice is cutting again.
Okay. Yes, beta.
Someone's mic is on. Sir, Herman.
Is it hearing? Yes. Yes, beta. What are you saying?
Sir,
Voice is cutting.
Oh, someone's mic is on.
Herman,
No, sir, your voice is not
everybody,
cutting. It's proper.
everybody, my voice is not cutting, no?
Yes, sir, not coming.
Not coming. Shreya,
No, sir,
your
not
voice is
cutting.
coming.
Sir, your voice is properly coming.
Acha, properly coming. Everybody else, mute your mics. Herman wants to ask me something. Everybody else will mute their mics. Yes, Herman, continue. What do you want to say? What do you want to ask?
Yes, sir. What is meaning of LEVEES?
L-E?
Sir, it is given on figure 3.5.
L-E-V. Acha, okay, that is actually overflow of water. Suppose when the water is flowing, no? Listen, okay? When the water is flowing, there is a speed of water. Yes or no? Means it is flowing in a speed. Okay? So it actually prevents the overflow of water. Means, you know, suppose when water overflows, then what will happen? Like we say like if there is overflow of water, means we call it as like a tsunami or flood we can say. Flood comes, no, with the overflow of water. To prevent that, okay, so this is a area or embankment of river or bank of river where the overflow is been prevented. That is known as leaves. L-E-E-V-E-S. L-E-E-V-E-S. Clear? L-E-E-V-E-S means what? Leaves. Leaves is a place or a bank of river to prevent the overflow of water. Means, you know, water is here flowing only. In a river, water is flowing only. Clear? So, with that flow, to prevent the overflow of water, okay, water badke, it doesn't come out of that area or out of its position. To prevent that position, okay, there is a embankment of river which prevents that. So that is why water is not overflowing. Otherwise, there is no meaning to say river, no? If there is an overflow, it will become a what? Water will overflow. Then suddenly what will happen? There flood might occur. Yes or no? Now understood what are leaves? Still once again it is already given in your book also. The raised banks are called leaves. Okay, so there are certain banks, okay, which to prevent the overflowing of water. That is known as what? Leaves. Clear?
Yes, sir, clear. Yes, sir.
Welcome. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
Oxbow Lake is clear. Oxbow Lake. Okay. Did you attend
Yes, sir.
last lecture? Wait a minute. No, na? Okay. So right now we are going on with page number 15 of. Wait a minute, everyone. I am talking to Juhi. Okay, Juhi is sitting here. Okay. So our chapter is going on. Our changing earth. Clear, beta? And we are taking now page number 15 in that chapter. Okay. So textbook. But from tomorrow you will be continue, no? You will come every day. So take your books along. Okay. So, but still, did you understand this chapter? Few topics we have completed. Okay. You have understood up till where? Up till where you have understood? This chapter. Did you understand this? Wait a minute, everyone. Did you understand earthquake? Formation of earthquake? How the earthquake is formed? Then, did you understand what do you mean by epicenter? What is focus? Okay? From now you will attend, no? Still, if you have doubt, you have not understood, tell me, okay? Okay, so now everybody else, you also, Juhi, listen, okay? So, floodplain is over, floodplain understood, leaves understood, yes or no, everyone? Then what
Yes, sir.
or what are oxbow lakes, that also understood. Then meanders, what do you mean by meanders? This is known as meanders, okay? Juhi, listen, this is overflow, and here what happens? Due to that soil erosion and deposition, certain things,
Yes.
certain things are deposited over here. Like what are deposited? Sediments. Because there is a flow of water.
So different type of particles of sand.
Particles are there. Yes or no? Particle of sand are there. So they get collected over here. So this portion, on which the bend occurs, in the river area, there is a bend. No. So in that bend, there are certain depositions, which we call as what?
Meanders.
Meanders, yes. And here in this deposition area, due to that meanders, this area is getting closer and closer. Why? Because meanders is depositing, no? Due to that, it is becoming closer and closer and closer. That area is actually coming closer. Okay. So that particular area, so here that dust particles is also there and the water flow is also there. So that particular area, this area is known as what? Oxbow Lake. Okay, that particular area, that particular corner is known as oxbow lake. Clear? And so this we have done. Now everyone get into, okay, next page everyone. Now as the river approaches the sea, the speed of flowing water decreases. Now you know that river means there is a river bank is there, that we can understand. River bank means the side of that, like here. Side of the river there is a river bank. No, people stand over here and we watch the river flowing. Yes or no? So this area, this entire area is known as what? River bank. Okay, here this is known as river bank. But you know, river means there is an end of a river. River means it's not like always, it will not remain river. River matlab kya hai? There is an end. And where does it end? It ends up in a sea or ocean. Yes or no? Flow of water means, or river means what? There is an end. That end is known as sea or ocean. River matlab aisa nahi ki it will always remain river every time. Understood? So when this river approaches to the sea, the flow of that water decreases. The speed of flow of water, the speed decreases. Clear? When it is going to, or when it is approaching to the sea or any ocean, okay, at that time the flow becomes slow and slow and slow. It decreases. Clear? So river begins to break up into number of streams. Now there is going to be, suppose here there is ocean, here there is ocean, this is the sea. Clear? So it doesn't directly connect. Directly connect nahi hota ocean se. How does it connect? There are certain routes. So suppose from here it may take this route, and from here it may take this route to connect the river. Means there are various streams flowing. My voice is cutting. Hello?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Now,
his mic because he is
it is cutting.
starting his mic.
Now can you hear me? Now can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Shall I continue?
No, sir.
No. Shall I continue?
Continue. Breaking. Yes, sir. No, sir. Your voice is only gooder. Sir, your voice is
good.
coming
Beta, voice is good नहीं बोलते उसको. Voice is coming proper. How do you say? Voice is coming proper. Good नहीं. यहाँ पे good और bad के बारे में नहीं बोलना है. It is proper or clear you have to say. What is that? Voice is good. Voice is clear bolo. What do you say? Voice is clear. So now we were talking about that. I was talking that river connects to the ocean. Not just directly doesn't connect. It has a flow. It has a stream, like different. You know, I told you yesterday, like a tree has a branch. This is a tree. Yes or no? Then it has a branch over this side, then this side. Then this tree is there, no? Yes or no? Like this way. Like tree has different branches. This is also one branch. Then from here, this is also one branch. The same way. Okay? When we understand it as a river, okay? When we understand it as a river, we will understand that river has got different routes. Okay? It has got different routes. So from different routes, it connects to the sea or ocean. Clear? Clear everyone? Clear everyone means including you.
Yes,
okay? So you also have to say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that particular routes, that different routes are known as what? Distributaries. Clear? What do we call that? Distributary. Distributary. What do we call that? Distributary. I will write the spelling. D-I-S-T-R-I-B-U-T-A-R-Y. Distributary. Now, if there are more than one, then what do we call them? Distributaries. R-I-E-S. Clear? This is known as distributaries. I told you that they have different, like a branch, they have different routes. So that is known as distributary.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is understood, no? So each distributary forms its own mouth, like I told you. Suppose this is the main river. This is the main river, and from here it is flowing from this side. Then again, some part is going on this side. some part is going on this side. So every like distributary has a mouth. So from where it is opening. So this is the opening for this side, this is opening for this side, this is opening for this side, and this is the opening for this side. Yes or no? So this part, this area is known as mouth. So every distributary forms its own mouth. Okay? The collection of sediments from all the mouths form delta. Now I told you, from the mouth, here this is mouth, there might be some area where the sediments get deposited. So that particular area is known as what? Delta, where the mouth starts, or what is the collection of sediments from all the mouths. So from all the mouths there are, suppose here sediments are there, here it is collected, here also there certain. What do we call that portion? What do we call that portion? I told you.
Bank.
Okay, this is bank, but the area where the certain things get deposited. Huh? You also tell.
Delta.
Okay, that particular sediments that are collected over here, that is known as delta. Okay, so every mouth, in every mouth it is getting collected. From here this point is starting. So means here it is mouth. So this area, certain depositions are taking place. So that area is known as what? Delta. D-E-L-T-A. Understood? That is known as delta. Okay, so that is over. Now what is the time, beta? Yeah, still we have got 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, I will take the attendance. Okay, now work of sea waves. Next, work of sea waves. Okay. The erosion and deposition of sea waves gives rise to coastal landforms. Coastal landform. Coastal means the coastal areas from where, because the people also live in coastal areas. Yes or no? That coastal I am talking about. Okay. The erosion and deposition means I told you there is a process. Okay, there is erosion is also happening, at the same time deposition is also happening. So that process of the sea waves, it gives rise to coastal landforms. Now there are landforms. Landforms means you know. Yes or no? Which are the landforms? Like plain is there, plateau is there, mountain is there. There are various landforms. Yes or no? Is it clear? Yes. Yes, beta, what are you saying? Hello? Somebody wants to ask me something? Do you have any doubt?
Sir, I have a doubt. Sir?
Anyone say, or,
Sir,
yes.
Coastal landforms are away from the sea or in the sea?
No, it's not in the sea. It is away from the sea only, but coastal landforms, it is away from the sea. It's not like, you might have seen, no, in movies also, means where the seas are there. So nearby that you can see plateaus also. Plateaus means, understand, this is the plateau, like this way.
Yes,
this
sir, it is called tableland.
Tableland. So you might have seen in that like different movies also you might have seen, like this, suppose this is the ocean. So nearby that you might see these kind of plateaus. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So that is known as coastal landforms. These are known as coastal. So on the coastal area means nearby to the river, that is known as coastal. Okay, so coastal landforms. So it can be plateau, either mountain also. Mountain bhi ho sakta hai na? Means you might have seen mountains nearby river, not rivers, seas or oceans. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Just see.
Yes, sir.
Look in that figure, beta. Look in that figure, you will easily understand. Dekho, features made by sea waves. There are certain plateaus are there. Okay. You can see in that figure, you can easily understand. Okay. Go and look in the textbook after going home. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So, that is known as what? Coastal landforms.
Coastal landforms.
Clear? Sea waves continuously strike at rocks. Now you have already seen. Suppose there is a big rock over here. So these sea waves are there, no? Like waves. These waves go and hit the rocks. They go and hit, no? You might have seen the waves. They go and hit the rocks. due to that wind. Okay, you have seen the waves, no? Waves like this, big waves are there. Okay, so those waves, now we are not talking about big waves, I am talking about small waves, okay, like this way. Are you getting me? Yes? Hello?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Are you understanding what I am saying?
Yes, sir. Yes,
so
sir.
these waves,
Yes,
these
sir.
small waves, sea waves continuously strike at the rocks and cracks develop. Now as these rocks are hitting with like a force, so what happens, that rock has some cracks on it due to the hitting of waves. Just consider, just think of that force, उसका force सोचो कितना होगा. Okay, it means it can, अगर वो force हमको लगता है, so it can throw us from there. If we are standing nearby sea like this, if that waves come with a force, it can throw out from us. इतना force होगा, and just if it can break a rock, if it can create a crack on that rock, तो फिर अपनी बात तो छोड़ दो, है ना? It can throw us out. Even our life can also, even our death can also happen. Okay, so that much force is the flow of that, means that wave is that much stronger. So over time they become larger and wider. So that cracks may become what? Larger. Kabhi kabhi it can make a big crack, large crack can happen. Okay, it becomes larger and wider. Thus hollow like caves are formed on the rocks. Okay, and they are known as sea caves. Like sometimes they create a cave like shape with a break, with a force it had created a crack. Sometimes that crack becomes a hollow like cave type. जैसे cave होता है ना, like various cave के अंदर जाते अंधेरा होता है, like it becomes very darker inside the cave. It can create a like cave shaped. Okay, sometimes it creates a cave shape on that rock. Clear? Are you getting me what I am saying? So the hollow like caves are formed on the rocks. Where it is formed? On that rocks. On that rocks means, I am not talking about small rocks, I am talking about big rocks which are on the coastal area. Big rocks are there. Now I am not talking about plateau also. There are big, it is not plateau, neither it is small rock. Uska beach. Okay, that means it can be a size of medium size, not that much. Like mountain bhi nahi hai, or neither it is a small rock. It's a in between that. So that is a kind of big rock. You might have seen in movies, the nearby seas, this bada big rocks are there. Yes or no? So on that rock, these hollow caves are formed. Clear? So those caves are known as what? These kind of caves are known as what? Sea caves. What do we call that? Sea caves. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? What do we call that?
Sea cave.
What do you call that? Sea caves. You also have to say. Now, as these cavities or as these caves become bigger and bigger, only the roof of caves remain, thus forming sea arches. Now, can you see that figure? Sea cave and sea arch. Just look in that figure 3.7. उसमें पता है वो big rock में कैसा है? See, this is a big rock. यहाँ पे एक cave बना. So here there is a place to go. Okay, the river can flow, means that water can flow from here also. It became a cave. Can you see that? Look at that figure, you will easily understand. Did you understand? So that is known as sea arch or sea cave. Clear? Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So further, erosion breaks the roof and only walls are left. Okay, sometimes the walls, the roof of that big rock is there, no? It is lost due to what? Erosion. Erosion means due to strong wind, due to strong, means I told you, wind, the flowing of air, that is also can be considered as erosion. Yes or no? So due to that erosion, breaks the roof and only walls. Then there is a situation, there is a time when only walls of that big rocks are left. Uska ek diwal or the walls of that rock is left. Okay. So these wall-like features are known as what? Stacks. That is known as
Sir, are they sending emojis?
Hello? Who is this? I told you nobody will do unnecessary things. What is this? Adi? Do you want punishment? Adi Patel? Do you want? Time is also up. We have got only 5 minutes. Clear? Now before going into that, I am going to take the screenshot, everyone. Okay, did you understand this much? Did you understand this much? If you want to know about
Yes,
that,
sir, definitely understand it.
Yes.
okay, clearly understood. Clearly understood. I told you that walls is known as, it looks like this. Sometimes due to erosion, the roof of this rock are wearing away. Okay, so only the walls are left. These walls are known as what? Stacks. It is already given. The figure is given in your book. You will easily understand. Okay, look that. Clear?
Yes,
So, I hope that you understood the steep rocky coast. Okay, now we can continue this from the tomorrow's lecture. Clear? Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir,
Okay,
definitely.
beta, now. Okay, now please be there. What is the homework? Read this today's portion properly and complete the worksheet. Try to complete the worksheet. Are you doing worksheet?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Ah.
sir.
Everyone has to do this homework. Worksheet is the regular thing only. I will not say it every day. Beta, worksheet karo. Every time I will not say.
Yes,
Whatever
sir.
topic each day jo topic khatam hota hai, whatever topic we complete, the next day that worksheet portion should be completed. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now I am going to take the screenshot. Now I am going to put first was I don't want noise. Okay, now I am going to take screenshot. Okay. Please be there. Nobody will leave. If you will leave, no problem for me. I will put absent. That's it. Yes or no? बेटा आपको अगर present चाहिए, so you can be there. If you want absent, then no problem. I will put absent. Yes or no? So you are present, no, today? I will put your present. Okay? Okay, beta? Okay, so everyone, take care. See you all tomorrow. We can continue from tomorrow, and tomorrow we will definitely complete the chapter. We will definitely complete the chapter. Okay, bye-bye. I hope that you understood the homework.